Let's fill out the South Carolina Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. When selling a vehicle, you'll want to make sure you have a few key things in order. First, the selling price needs to be included on the bill of sale, along with the purchase date, so everyone is clear on exactly when the transaction took place. As the seller, you'll need to file a notice of vehicle sold, and you'll also need to sign the title over to the buyer, right there on the back of your title. That's where the transfer happens, so don't skip that step. You'll also need to record the odometer reading at the time of sale, so both parties have an accurate record of the mileage. And if there's a lien on the vehicle, the lien holder will need to sign off on that lien before the sale can move forward. So make sure you take care of that ahead of time if it applies to you. Take your time going through each of these steps, and you'll be set for a smooth, straightforward vehicle sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.